Hey besties, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. In today's video, we are getting some cleaning done. We are doing Cali's bathroom, straightening up the bedrooms, the living rooms, and also dusting my entryway. If you are looking for some good motivation to get some things done around your home, then you clicked on the right video. So first we're starting off in Cali's bathroom. I don't know what is going on in here, y'all. This girl loves to play in the bathroom. She had toothpaste everywhere, dog food, toys, soap. Everything was going on in this bathroom. And y'all, if y'all have kids, y'all already know the look and the answer she gave me when I asked her what was going on in here. She looked at me as if I was the crazy one. Before I start cleaning, I like to season my tub with a little soft scrub and Method bathroom spray. I like to let it sit just for a few minutes just to help lift any harder to clean soap scum. In this bucket I have Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner and some water. I like to use this to clean all the surfaces in the tub, making sure that I get the toys, the walls, the soap holder, the faucet, and most importantly, the dirt ring around the tub. To clean my toilets, I do follow the same method. I like to spray all around the toilet, flushing first. Then I'll be using the Lysol toilet bowl cleanser inside of the toilet bowl. So as you guys can tell, I am not familiar with Mr. Toilet Brush or Mr. Toilet Wand. They are not welcome here. I do use a fresh pair of gloves on which I do change and wash my hands, a fresh cloth, which at the end of all of my cleanings, I do put them inside of the washing machine to sanitize them. Now, I know that's not everyone's jam, and that is coolio, but like I always say, clean as you may see fit in your own home.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the car. lies, all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies, all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
To finish my bathroom cleaning, I love to use the steam mop on the floors. It does an amazing job with steaming the floors, making everything feel so clean and fresh. Another great thing about this steam mop is that it comes with different attachments, so you can use it in many different ways.
We're done talking about it. A spark turns into fire, and we're not sorry about it. If you're not sleeping tight, you know we're onto something. You hear the streets are crying, ocean turns into fighting.
After the floor is completely dried, I'll be fixing the shower curtain, replacing the rug in the trash can, and also putting more toilet paper in the toilet paper basket.
Take it to the streets. Hit control of the lead. Take it to the streets. Hit control of the lead. Warning's been spread wide. You can't do none to stop it. Posing is bound to fight, but you're only causing riots. Words move from mouth to mouth. Justice is also troubling, all the way from north to south. It's been a long time coming. Take it to the streets.
So here's my cloffice slash she room. I think I'm slashing the cloffice though, because I really don't need an office. Like, I've honestly just been using this room just to get dressed and maybe watch a little bit of TV. I'll admit I was so pressed over the whole cloffice idea, but I had to snap out of it and realize that I didn't need an office. Well, not really right now anyway. So I think I'm just going to have it as a room that I get dressed and watch some TV, and I'm going to hold off on any official titles for right now.
Take it to the streets. Hit control of the lead. Take it to the streets. Hit control of the lead. I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head everywhere.
This is what I have so far in this room. It's taken me a while longer to complete because I'm not sure as to what I should add or shouldn't put in here. If you guys have any suggestions, please feel free to help a sister out. In my living room, y'all know it's just super easy peasy. I don't really have a lot of things in there, but I do like to keep up with the dusting. So I will be dusting the shelf and also dusting the table, vacuuming, and then just propping some pillows that just was fine how they were. I just got a bad habit of chopping pillows, y'all. So that's what I'll be doing in my living room. Last but certainly not least is my entryway. This area is so easy to become cluttered because this is where we drop our shoes. So I like to keep this area clean and clutter free as much as possible. I also really enjoy walking into my home and the first thing that I see is a neat and tidy entry.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. Pretend. And you decide if you want to see me again.
So this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it, but most importantly, I hope that you guys have found some motivation to clean as you may see fit in your own home. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. My name is Lavion, and I enjoy posting cleaning motivation, home decor, and organization videos. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
So I won't speak right now, 'cause words will tear us apart. I pray to God I find a way to mend my broken heart. Yeah, wanna show